Uh, Hello everyone. My name is Kim Kieng.
My name is Siang Hai.
Uh, and we are from Team Potato. And today we're going to present to you about the Facebook API product that we developed. It's instant game. So the instant game that we developed is called Bong Hub. Bong Hub is a board game that we developed using HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript. And the reason why we do this is because we like to play ping pong. Ping pong is a sport that brings people together, and we want people to enjoy this wherever they are because most of the time people cannot be at the same place. So we want it to be a place so everyone can enjoy the sport. The features of the game, we have a one ball and two pedals, and it is played on a table. How we play this is when the ball hit the paddle, it reflects back, and when it hits the border, it reflects back. The only way to score the goal is the ball get into the goal, the black line. And the future goal of our game is that we want it to be able to play in a multiplayer, and we want to have more features as well as like skills and skins so that the game can be more competitive and more exciting. So let's get into the demo.
Nhà đi xem chậm mơ bây giờ. Okay. Hello. Okay. So basically, there are three functions in the home page. So the first one, this one is just the home page, and the second one is play, and the third one is setting. For the setting, we have the difficulty like for easy, normal, and hard. The difference between the difficulty is just the speed of the ball and the speed of the CPU, the board. So our game play against with the AI. We don't have the multiplayer mode yet. Okay, so by default, when we click on the play, it will be the easy mode. So the ball is not so fast, so it's very, very slow. And we can move to the hard. The ball is very faster. And whenever one of them get like 7 points, that one will win. So basically, that's the concept of our game. Okay, that's it.
So judges, you can ask them questions.
Quite interesting, but I'm sure it's that ping pong though. It doesn't look like ping pong to me, but overall, it's a good idea to be able to play game, to enjoy it, and then would be even better if you can like invite friends to play, because the idea of integrate a game with social media is to get people to play together. But like 24 hours is too short for that kind of future. But I hope you embrace the idea and continue to develop further than this hackathon. But overall, it's good for me. I like it. So, thank you.
Interesting name. May I know why did you come up with ping pong as an introduction to this game? Like, what's your perspective on this one? Do you compare this game to ping pong or what?
So first of all, the ping pong is what inspired us to do this game. But when we decided to implement it into our project, we create this game it's like hockey, air hockey, but we get inspired by ping pong.
I see. Well, I would say good job for doing this very nice UI in just 24 hours and a workable demo like this. Keep developing forward.
Thank you.
Hello. So I want to ask you 3 questions. So where do you get the art and the asset? You draw it yourself or like downloading somewhere? And second, how is the AI work? It's like the algorithm that you use to play against the player. And third, is this the code from scratch or you like modifying? It's like a modifying code or like you writing it from scratch?
So for the UI interface, I'm responsible for all the design and all the assets. We get it from the internet and we modify the design, like the image that you see, like the table, the ball, the pedal, and like the home button, stuff like that. And for code, Fu will explain it.
Hello. Okay, for the code, we use the modification of other people's codes. And for how the AI work, it basically the computer track the ball. It track the ball. So when the ball moves to somewhere, it try to arrange its direction to that place. And when the ball is at behind the computer pedal, it will move beside that. So that's how.
But the difficulty between easy, normal, and hard is that it changes the speed of the AI?
Just the speed of the CPU and the ball. Because sometimes when you change the speed of the ball and the computer is move so slow, then it would not be able to keep track with the ball too. So you have to change the speed of the AI too.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay. So there's 2 questions. One is that it is possible for human to win the hard difficulty.
Yes.
Okay. And second question is that since this usually instant game, people usually play on mobile, right? And so how does it work in mobile? It is possible to cheat because as I can see is that you're tracking the mouse, right?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. And let's say in mobile, you don't have a mouse. So people can actually using this gesture and then change to that. Is it really, will it be instantly changing the paddle without moving the paddle? You get what I mean, right?
Yeah, I get it because that's a problem too.
Yeah. So in mobile, people can cheat, right? Like this, right? By instantly move this and then you click on that and then the paddle is moved instantly. Okay. And in mobile there's a lot of event, right? There's not only a mouse event. There's in mobile there has a gesture event. So you're using mouse event or gesture event?
Just mouse.
Mouse. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Group Potato. So the next group, please come on stage for your presentation.